Squarespace portfolio website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can create your own portfolio website with squarespace.com. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply sign up to squarespace.com. Signing up process is really easy. All you have to do is just sign up with your Google account, or you can sign up with your Facebook and email address. Simply set up a password and you will simply log into your Squarespace. Squarespace helps you create your own website. You can create your own portfolio website, a professional looking portfolio website with Squarespace very easily. So first, when you log into your Squarespace, this is where you will land. You can see right here we have different templates to choose from. Now you can start from the scratch as well, but it becomes really easy for you to choose a template and then work with the template. So in here you will see type. In type you will find online store, portfolio, membership, blog, scheduling, and one page. We want to create a portfolio. Simply click on portfolio and it will open up the portfolio templates for you to kind of help you create a professional portfolio website. Now, keep in mind that selecting a template does not mean that all of the websites will look the same, of course, because if every person is choosing a template, you might be wondering how my website will be unique. So it's super simple. It is all customizable. You can customize anything on this template. So don't worry, you will upload your own images, you will upload your information. You can change the theme, you can change the color. So it's all unique and you can customize it the way you want to. So we have all of these different portfolio website templates. So now it depends on you what kind of portfolio website you are creating. So I'm gonna go for a simple one. You will able to find all of them right here, like popular designs. Then we have a different personal and CV ones. So if you want to go for any of the portfolio website, so let's go with this one right here. I think this template looks pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and create my portfolio with this template right here. So I have my template right here. This is the template that I have chosen to create my portfolio website. So this looks pretty decent and very professional, so that is why I'm going with this one. So on Squarespace you will get all of the options right here. These are the different pages I have right now: commerce, marketing, scheduling, analytics, and profile. So in pages I will be able to check out my pages that I have, and then I can also create a new page. Then we have the design option. In design we actually get a lot of different features to go for. We can actually edit the different buttons, we can actually add different pages and everything we want to. So what happens is you simply click on any of the box right here. So we are kind of like editing. Simply click on edit and it will allow you to edit this template that we have chosen. So now I am in editor mode. So this is the first thing that I am getting. So this is like the website I have now. I am simply going to customize it the way I want to. So let's change this text right here. I'm gonna change the name from here and I'm gonna edit the information as well. Or I can simply go for another thing. I can simply change the background. I can add a section, or I can just simply go ahead and edit the font as well. So for now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna change the name right here. Let's go with a random name. Let's just say I wanted to add this name right here, and then you will simply add the information as well. You will edit everything right here. I'm gonna simply go ahead and I am going to cut this one right here. Simply cut this one. Okay, perfect. So if I want to edit the text right here, or if I want to edit the text color or anything, I can go ahead and do that. Right now it's white, so we can actually go with another color as well. So this is the palette that we're getting with this template, but I can also go with a custom color if I want to, and I can just simply go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go for this color right here. I think this looks pretty good on black. After that, if I want to add a section, let me show you how you add a section. Click on add section and it will allow you to add different sections from here. So we get headlines, list, gallery, image, code, text, video, appointments, contact, donation form, newsletter, products, social, whatever you want to add. You can simply go ahead and do that. So I think I'm gonna go for a text or a video. Let's go with a video. Let's just say I wanted to add a video from my YouTube channel to my portfolio. So I'm gonna go ahead and select. So these are the different layouts I can actually go for. I think this one actually looks pretty amazing, so I will select this one right here, and it will be added to my portfolio right here, the website that I am creating. So there you go. This is the first text that I added, and now this is the second section that I added right here. Now I can simply go ahead and edit this right here, the video, because I don't want this video, right? I will simply go ahead and click on edit, and I will add the video I want to add. So this is the video URL right now. This video is added, and what I will do is I will simply go ahead and remove this URL and get a URL from my YouTube channel, and I will add it right here, and I will be able to add this as my portfolio. So for now, let's just, keep this one, but it's super simple. I will simply delete this one, and I will add my, video. And you can also add captions. This is actually pretty amazing that I can add captions as well. So this is how you will edit the video. This is how you add a section. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and change the text right here. You can just simply go ahead and add text, and you can change the color of the text as well. Then we have this image section. We have text, and then we have these images right here. So if I want to delete a section, let's go ahead and delete this section right here, which is this image and this like text. So simply click on delete, and it will be removed. There you go. So that section is removed. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add more sections. Let me show you how you add sections. Let's add a section right here after this image. Simply click on add section, and now I'm gonna go ahead and maybe I can go with a contact right here. So click on contact, and this is the different layouts for contact. So I think I'm gonna go with this one right here, where people will be able to contact me within my portfolio. So I will simply click right here on this one, and it will be added to my portfolio. So now after this image, I have a contact us. So I can actually customize everything. Of course, right here, I will edit the address, I will edit the information, I will add my email address, and I can also, add links right here to my socials. So this is actually pretty amazing. Okay, let me show you how you actually edit something. Simply click right here. Let's just say I want to edit a number. So I can go with any number I want to. There you go. And similarly, I will edit all of the rest. So this is the contact us. Then we have this. So I kind of I'm not going with this section right here, so I'm gonna delete this one as well. I'm keeping it very simple right now. Okay, perfect. So if you do not want the black look that we have, this website is the background is black. So if you want to change the background, let's just change the background of this section. So, and let me show you how you do that. So simply click on edit right here. In order to edit any section, you will get the option. So you will see background right here. Now I have different options to go for. In background, I can go for image, video, or an art as well, or I can simply go for different colors. So I can add an image in the background. Let's go with colors, and let's change the color of this section so I can show you how you can change the background color. So these are the different colors that I am actually getting for this template right here, because it's the theme is gray, white, and black. So right now it's like the darkest one. So I can go with a lighter shade, or I can go with white for this template right here. So you can see now the background for this section has been changed to gray. So this is what it will look like. Now I can add the image as well. So let's edit this image, and let's just say I wanted to add my image right here. So what I will do is I will be able to simply click right here, and then you can edit and replace the image from here, and you can also add a link to this image right here. When people will click on the image, they will be driven to the website or anywhere you want them to. After that, we have the footer right here. This is the footer. Let's edit the footer because the footer does not have anything right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit the footer so we can also get different options. For example, I can go with background color and format, or I can add anything if I want to. So I can add section, and then I can add my socials here. So I'm gonna click on add, and I'm gonna go ahead, and this is like the footers actually we're getting. So I think for footer, okay, this footer actually looks pretty good. So I'm gonna select this one. Perfect. So this is going to be my footer. Let's go to header as well. So this is the simple header we have. I can actually go for another header, but this one actually looks pretty good. But if I wanted to change it, I will simply click on edit site header, and then I will get different options to edit. Let's just say that I have customized everything I wanted to. This is how you will also customize your website the way you want to. You will add all the information, you will add the text, you will add the images, different sections. It's super easy to use. Once you have added everything, what you will do is you will simply click on save, or you can simply go ahead and publish your site right now with Squarespace. So this is the view of my website. If I want to get a mobile view, I will simply click right here, and this is going to be my website on a mobile phone. So I think this looks pretty amazing, and I can now go ahead and publish it if I want to, or I can save it for later. If I want to edit it, I will be able to edit my portfolio that I have created with Squarespace right here. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create a portfolio with Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.